Welcome to our channel. Today we're talking about something every household should have, a first aid kit. Having a first aid kit at home is essential. It can make a huge difference in emergencies, from minor cuts to more serious injuries. Why is it so important? Well, first aid kits provide immediate access to essential supplies. This can help reduce the severity of injuries and, in some cases, even save lives. Knowing how to use a first aid kit is just as crucial. Here are some basic first aid skills everyone should have. Treating cuts and scrapes. First, clean the wound thoroughly. Then apply an antiseptic to prevent infection. And finally, bandage it properly to protect it from further injury. Dealing with burns. First, cool the burn under running water for at least 10 to 15 minutes. After cooling, cover it carefully with a sterile dressing to protect the area and prevent contamination. 3. Performing CPR. This life-saving skill can keep blood and oxygen flowing in cardiac emergencies. 4. Managing sprains and strains. Use the RICE method: rest, ice, compression, and elevation. 5. Handling allergic reactions. Recognize the signs and know how to use an EpiPen if necessary. Having a first aid kit and knowing these basic skills can help you respond effectively to everyday emergencies. It's all about being prepared and staying safe. Thanks for watching NirvanaSafety. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips. Stay safe, everyone.